first recipe, I'm going to be using this from Diplicious. It's a chicken rub. Normally you're going to do these either with wings, well, mostly with wings, but I'm doing it with drummies this time. Okay, so this is more or less what you're going to be doing. After I basically dried my drummies here, I'm going to take a little bit at a time and we sprinkle this on it. Just remember that it's a rub, so you have to rub it in perfectly. We could get more as we're going on. And we put them aside. And now we set it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now that the 2 hours have passed, the recipe says that you could broil it for more or less like around 10 or 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to roast it. And it's going to be for like 30 to 40 minutes more or less, or until the chicken is done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of grease here so it won't stick. And I'm going to lay down my drummies. You could also do like a side of either mashed potatoes, maybe some veggies, maybe some French fries, whatever you like for like a side dish. Okay, and now we're going to put it in our oven. Like I said, it's at 450 degrees, and I'm going to keep it there for 30 to 40 minutes. Now into the oven it goes. And these are our drummies with the chicken rub from Diplicious. Remember, it's this right here. If you're watching this on Facebook, you could just go ahead and click on the Shop Now button and go ahead and get your chicken rub. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to put the link right down below in the description box. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the chicken rub.